Hello. Hello. Back from Home Depot, eating supper, and now we are bolting it on. We will cut it off camera tomorrow. I'm not worried about that right now. We got some bolts to cut off under here, do a little trim up. Right now I'm just pulling the there, and now this drawer is going to hit that.
That's enough. I mean, we don't need much.
Now what we'll have to do, and I'm not going to show that on camera. Alright, I marked it. It's more than like good and marked where it's bumping into the bolts. We'll take the bolts out and you know, notch the back edge of the drawer. Gotta be careful. This isn't supported right here. Wait a minute, yeah, it is. It's got some nuts bolt, so you can flex that iron too much. There we go. Well, and right there. I'll take that. I'll fix it tomorrow. We interrupt your regularly scheduled video to bring you this. We forgot to put it in the video segment. Yes, forgot major parts to what we're doing here. In this segment, we're going to fill in all of those patches, and then we will resume the video, and hopefully everybody can keep up. The drawer that comes out of here is a full box drawer. The back of the drawer is the same height as the front of the drawer, and it hits the heads of the bolts that hold the drill press down. So what we have to do is we're just going to notch the back of the drawer down a little bit to where it can slide in and out. And that'll also help with it going in the cabinet because it creates air pressure when you push it in. So there's that. The next thing we got to do is we got to cut off these bolts up underneath the table right here that hold the table down. We're going to cut them off. And then we're going to go over how I did this right here, how all this is put together on the end right here. So stay tuned, stick around, and we'll be right back. That was gone. Ooh, look at there. All right, everybody. Let's cut off this bolt right here. Point at your finger. Alright, I took wooden dowel rods and cut them down, and I drilled from there down into the side right here. And I did one right there, and one there, and one there. And then I filled them up with glue. Then I forced the peg down in the hole, forcing the glue around all of the dowel rods that come up. On all four of them right there. Then I went through the front and drilled down the side and pegged it that way. And then on the front right here, I went that way. As you'll see in the video of me wiping the glue off and putting a few of them in. So, there you go, Bob's your uncle. Alright, there's two little marks right here where the heads of the bolts rub through. So all I'm going to do is just go about 1/4 inch on one side of it. Just saw out a little. The rasp is under here. Alright, so there's that one. Now we're going to do this one. Alright, look, you don't pull back on wood. I don't care what the argument is about files dragging. If you pull back, you're going to break it off. On that side you want to go in, and on this side you want to come in.
This one.
See what I just did? Alright.
Awesome.
So, there we go. Alright, let's get y'all turned around right here.
I'll get the door. Am I clear to walk?
Yep. Let's set her in. She goes right in, no problem. There we go.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
And now,
What is this right here then?
we can knock this down. That's wood.
No.
Oh, that's a piece of a nail from when it was shot together in a different life.
Different life.
Turn y'all to your regularly scheduled program. Just out of the way. Oops, excuse me. So it's done.
Good job.
And this fence right here can move. It's not very far away. And when you tighten it up, it levels up. Yeah, I may shim the table so that it's. I'm gonna check it first to make sure that it's. There we go. I'm gonna make sure that it's square, or trimmed best I can. And I gotta loosen this bolt up under here and make sure that it's nice and level. And then if it's not level front to back, that I'll shim this with feeler gauges or something and glue them to the bottom. Take this bolt out and then put it on there until it is trimmed. The 2 bolts under here we got to cut off. We'll cut them off with a Ziz wheel on the grinder. Actually, I'll just mark it and then take it out. Probably just mark it and take it out and cut it. This is the finished product, what I started out to do. It's bolted down. You see the whole cabinet moves. It's hot in here. We've made a mess. We have to clean up. Again.
I just cleaned.
Yeah, I know. I hear you.
What?
So come around here. Tell everybody. Don't forget to go check out our t-shirts. So far we haven't sold any. I hope that'll change. Hope somebody will buy some new t-shirts.
Hi, I'm buying there.
I'm trying to send her to summer camp next year. And I've started this early because of the struggles to raise money through donations. I know everybody's struggling out there, but any little dime will help.
Even $1.
All the links will be in the description down below.
Okay.
My wife just brought a fan in here. She could have brought a big po' boy sandwich. That's how good that fan feels. Actually, I don't eat big po' boys.
What's that?
A big sandwich. You'd have to watch. Oh, where'd that come from, baby? Hoagies. Dr. Huxtable. I can't think of the show.
Oh.
Cosby. The Cosby Show.
Good call.
I like the show. I don't care what nobody else. If he did wrong, he's in prison. He's gone to prison.
But when he was in the show, it was awesome.
It was a good show. Anyway,
Internet was
before I blow up the internet with that one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know you like the video by giving us a thumbs up. Leave a comment.
And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment box.
And all the links for the swag and stuff will all be in the description down below the video.
Right
Happy New Year again. Hope 2019 is better than 2018. Minus one thing. That way you always have one thing to strive for every day.
So, bye-bye.
Bye.